Hello students, this is your instructor Abida Mukarram. This video will cover how to access Putty, download Putty and run Putty, which is a utility for Windows operating systems to allow you to connect to the Sacramento City College server. So here I am. If you go to putty.org, there is a portion here which says download Putty. You click on that hyperlink and you will be taken to a page that gives you a choice. You can decide which version of Putty is more suitable for you, depending on what kind of machine you possess. And I have a 64-bit machine, so I have clicked this and downloaded Putty on my system. Now, when you download the installer and go through the usual installation process, then you will have the executable file, and you will also have an icon that looks like two terminals. That's what your Putty icon looks like. And when you run Putty, you will get a window which asks for hostname. The hostname in this instance is cis.scc.losrios.edu, and you do not need to specify any name. You can choose a session name if you wish. You can leave this completely blank. The port number is 22. This is the host address for the server, and we open the connection, and you are now on the Sacramento City College server. So you can log in as CISC 360, right? Your WID, whatever user ID you have been given in the file that I sent to you is what you would need to type in as your user ID. It could be 1476622. And that's what you would enter for login. Now, in my case, I'm going to type in my instructor username, which is this, and I'm asked for a password, and I type in my password, and I'm now in on the server in the command line where I can now use Linux commands. The Linux environment is Ubuntu, so we can run any Linux command that you're familiar with, and including the ability to see the directory, to create directories using mkdir. I can create a directory here which says my C++ programs, and I will have a directory lscpp. I have a directory here which is called CPP, and I can store my C++ programs in this directory. So this is how you would access the Sacramento City College server command line environment using Putty. And once you're here on the server, you have the ability to run Linux. You can create and compile and run your C++ programs from here. But that's for another video. So you can do exit to log out, and you would be out of Putty.